Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. Today I'm here with a CFmoto 800MT-X. It's already a great bike, but we have prepared several parts to make it even more convenient for traveling and adventure riding. We introduce you the short levers, the short clutch lever and the short brake lever designed for the adventure riding. Handling and control of the motorbike are very important for us, and the clutch and the brake levers are very important touch points. So we try to redesign them in a way that they improve the feeling with your clutch and when braking. The clutch lever is also significantly shorter. You can use it with 2 fingers or 1 finger. We also pay a lot of attention to this radius. So it's very smooth, so you put just enough power as you need. And this is also a very important detail, that even you use it fully, you don't bite the remaining 2 fingers. The brake lever is significantly shorter. It was designed to be used with 1 finger or 2 fingers. Sometimes when you have the long lever and you use only 2 fingers, they might little bit slide away. But here we have a special ending that will support your fingers and you can use maximum power to stop your bike. Secondly, we pay a lot of attention to this radius to have just enough feel when you use 2 fingers, 1 finger in slippery condition, that you can put just enough power to prevent stopping your front wheel. The short levers are made from aerospace aluminum. They are CNC-milled by us here next door. So we try to pay attention to every contour, every detail, so they are as nice as possible. Even their destiny, it's mud and dust. In summary, the short levers from RADE Garage will help you to improve the feeling when using the clutch or braking. They are made from high-end aerospace aluminum, nicely CNC milled, and all that for very competitive price. If you like it, please order on our eShop.